Hello everyone, it's 5th of November here in England. It's now 6:30, but it's fireworks night here in the UK, so it's noisy, like everyone's you can hear lots of fireworks. Anyway, Chuck is so frightened, so my husband closed the door, but he's really scared. Chucky, you stay here because you are scared. Are you coming out? Stay there. Because you are very scared. Huh? Who is cold? Gabriel's watching. Huh? Gabriel's watching Polar Express. And look guys, my husband put the sofa here now because it's coming in a few days. The new sofa. Do you like it like that? We need to get rid of that table because it doesn't match it, so we'll just we have to get rid of it. Chucky, oh my god guys, you will, if you have seen Chucky earlier, he ran and he cried when my husband tried the fireworks. What is this one? The same what you did earlier. Where's Chucky?
Here, Gabby.
Oh, don't be scared, Nak. It's a
Sparklers.
It's a different one.
Come on, sparkler.
Hey, look at the baby Chucky. He's so scared. He's really running and crying for him. He ran to the bed. You're right, darling, but you're scared. I don't want to scare you. Huh? I don't want to scare you. Ooh, I'm cold. It's proper cold.
No, it's gonna go out in a minute.
Can you hear the other fireworks, guys? You can't see properly, but it's continuous. From earlier, from about 5 o'clock. Oh my god, it's cold. Let me go with Chucky. Are you going out, Chuck? And then you're gonna be scared again. Come here. Chucky. He's going straight to the sofa, look. Going straight to the sofa. Chucky, come with me. Come with me. My husband is going to make a shepherd's pie. I'm gonna show you in a minute when it's all done. All right, darling. Careful with Chucky back. Let me. Oh, careful with him, Nak. Papa's gonna. Can you see my husband outside? Oh, cold.
I'm gonna be with Papa.
Look, Chuck, Daddy's gonna start now. The thing, look.
Let me sit.
Oh my God, Chucky.
Let me sit.
Huh? Where Chucky's gonna run?
Ah!
What's that?
Oh,
What's that, Chucky back?
yay!
What's that, Chucky? He's not scared anymore. He was scared of the loud one earlier.
Yeah. But this one is just the...
Yeah, it's not loud, this one, isn't it, Chuck? Huh? It's not loud, that one. Now put this in the washing machine. Come on.
I want to go.
Good boy. It's not that loud, innit? Huh? It's not that loud. Ah! Where's Chucky back? Are you scared, Chuck? Oy! Are you scared?
Like, boom, 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 boom.
Nak, you like it?
Yeah.
Oh, what is it, Chuck? Huh? Are you okay? Chucky,
Shall we watch now, please?
let's go get a blanket. Are you finished, Dad?
Mummy, can you
It's
watch
cold.
now?
Okay.
Let me move to...
Is that the one he's scared of? Dad,
I want to see.
what's that, Chuck? Huh? What's that?
It's a bit finished.
Which one?
Napoleon Square.
Would you like to watch some more?
Much. I want
What?
to
Chucky
start
back.
it again.
Look at him, he goes to me, look. He's really scared. Are you scared, babe? Look at him.
I don't like...
What's that, Chuck?
I don't like fireworks
What's
now.
that? Are
I
you
don't-
scared of that?
I don't like fireworks because it's too much.
It's finished now. Oh, look at you. You're a brave dog. Are you a brave dog? Huh? Are you a brave dog? You okay, darling? What would you like? You got loads of DVD you can watch. What else? Huh?
I wanted to watch Transformers.
You tell Daddy and he'll put it on. Oh, it's another one. I can see it. Jackie, look. Jackie, look. What
I'm looking at both.
in the garden? Hmm?
Shall I?
Where are you looking, Jackie? Wow.
What's that?
Hmm? Jackie, what's that outside?
What's that? What's that?
Where are
Touchy
you
Bucky?
going now? Where are you going? You're not scared anymore.
I like it. I love it.
That's nice one, Dad.
That's an awesome one.
Is it?
Is it gonna shoot?
Jackie, how is it? Can you see, guys? Fireworks from outside. That's from the neighborhood.
Which neighborhoody?
This one's the fireworks is from the neighborhood. Anak.
How can they lose it?
Wow, that's nice. Did you see?
I didn't.
You okay, Chuck?
Are you okay?
Aw, poor you, aren't you? Scared. Here is cooked, guys. Shepherd's pie. What vegetables in here, Dai? Can you tell me?
In the sauce, you've got carrots,
Carrots,
and celery.
celery. Ooh, and then?
And in the mash, you've got carrots, swede, and potato.
Ooh, so you got how many vegetables in there? Huh?
Lots.
Oh. This is for Chucky, guys. We are cooling it for him. This is the shepherd's pie.
Go.
Let's eat.